Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the bloom settings in Hytale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, make sure you're in the video tab. Scroll down to the advanced rendering section. Here under bloom you can choose off, low, medium or high. With the bloom turned off, there is no access to the sun shafts settings or the rays of sunlight. And once you make your choice, hit Save Changes, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.